If you're looking to get your California CA concrete license, one of the most important steps is purchasing your first workers' compensation policy. It can be tricky navigating the ins and outs of workers' comp, especially when you're just starting, but don't worry, we got you covered. If you're new here, I'm Freddie Servin, and today we're diving into a topic that's super important for California contractors in the process of obtaining their license, and that's setting up your first workers' comp policy. If you're applying for CA concrete license without any employees, you might think that you don't need workers' comp insurance, but as of January 1st, 2023 in California, with or without employees, you are required to carry workers' comp in order to obtain your license. First things first, let's talk about ghost policies. We hear this term thrown out a lot in the industry. So what are ghost policies? These policies are designed for contractors with no employees, but there are some important conditions to keep in mind. Number one is subcontractor cost limits. Your policy may have specific limits on subcontractor costs. So if you're hiring subs, make sure you understand these limits because exceeding them can cause a big problem during audit, or in some cases can result in a cancellation of your policy. Number two is certificates of insurance. Always maintain COIs for any subcontractors you hire. If a subcontractor causes property damage or injures a third party on the job, you could still be held liable as the primary contractor if you don't have proper coverage. And number three is audit surprises. Ghost worker comp policies are subject to audits. If your paperwork isn't in order and you don't complete an audit, you could be hit with an audit non-compliance fee, which could be upwards of 25 or 50%, or we've seen it as high as 100% of the expiring premium for ignoring any audit request. Or if you hired employees but failure to report them, you could face penalties and higher premiums. Always report any changes in your business operations to your insurance provider to avoid any of these issues. The marketplace for zero payroll workers' comp policies in California is incredibly tight. This is because many insurers are cautious about issuing these policies due to the high risk of non-compliance and fraud. It makes it even more necessary for you to have the right policy the first time. Now, here's where an independent insurance broker comes in. Now, I might be biased as an independent insurance broker, but there's no substitution for professional advice. We understand contractors' insurance and can help you navigate these challenges and find the right policy for your needs. We know the market, the pitfalls to avoid, and how to ensure you stay compliant with state requirements. So if you're ready to take the next step in getting your California concrete license, reach out to us for a quote. We'll help you find the best workers' comp policy so you can focus on building your business without the hassle. Click the link below or give us a call today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips on growing your business. Thanks so much for watching again, and see you in the next video.